In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own photo to Canva. For this, I'm going to load up a poster. Then, if you want to upload your own photo, we have to navigate to the Uploads tab right here on the left. It should be the fourth tab. And as you can see, we have different subcategories for images, videos, and audio. For this, we're uploading a photo. So under images, we want to click on upload files. And then right here, you simply select the photo that you want to upload. You can left click on it and then open. And as you can see, our photo is being uploaded to Canva. Now it is added, and if we want to add it to the poster itself or just drag and drop it here, that is what we do. And that is how you upload your own image to Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.